In high-volume industrial manufacturing, process consistency and chemical purity directly impact your bottom line. Introducing our industrial-grade Borax Powder, sodium tetraborate decahydrate, designed to meet the demands of industrial-scale processing applications. Borax delivers consistent performance across some of the most demanding industrial applications. In glass and ceramics manufacturing, it acts as a reliable flux, lowering melting points and improving product durability. In metallurgy, it supports soldering and welding operations as a high-performance flux agent. It is also widely used as a buffering agent in specialty cleaning and detergent formulations, while providing a reliable source of boron in fertilizer production. Designed for industrial manufacturing, our borax powder is supplied in bulk packaging with consistent particle size distribution. Backed by ISO and REACH compliance, it also provides a stable shelf life under proper storage conditions to maintain operational efficiency. We supply borax powder with reliable lead times, technical data sheets, and dedicated account support. Contact us today to request a sample, technical specification sheet, or to discuss your application requirements.